What's the chances of me taking you home tonight?
The chances of me you taking me home?
Yeah.
0.
We could have fucking won this shit.
If I was to take you home tonight, would you go home with me?
Yeah, for your sister.
My sister? What's the chances of me taking you home tonight?
0.
What's the chances of me taking you home tonight?
0. I got a girlfriend. 0.
Take me out to dinner, baby.
Hey, yo! What's the chances of me taking you home tonight? They just joking around for the video. They always be capping and shit. Dumbass girls. Oh my God, it's your boy ExclusiveMyles. And this video, man. Hey, look. Today we gonna do rate me from 1 to 10 by the sound of my voice, man. We at the fair, so look. We gonna see what these females say. Like, we got a girl right here. She trying to be in the video. I already know. I know you creeping. Girl. I know she creeping. She want to be in the video, man. But look, we gonna get right started. So if y'all new, I need y'all to like the video, comment down below, and subscribe. Turn on post notifications. You know, I post fingers all year. Yeah, bitch.
I just pulled my red eye out and tried to stop a nigga. Where you going? I just walked outside my house and I'm on shot a nigga. Fuck my ex, I hope my next can probably top a nigga. Take me to a place I can't imagine.
I'm here with
Ty.
Ty. Why you scared?
I don't know.
Nigga, what you? Ain't nothing to be scared of. Look. Come here. So I can hear you. Look. I want you to rate me from the sound of my voice, man.
Okay.
Okay. What I do it.
Okay.
I'm gonna say probably 7. I don't know.
Damn, from the sound of my voice. Damn, a 7? Come here. Like, why you so scared? You look like you trying to fight somebody. What's up? All right, so look. For my face, like, give me a rating. For my face.
We gonna go with like.
Huh?
A 7? So it's still a 7? Damn, I can't get higher? Nothing? Alright. So look, I wanted to know, like, what's the chances of me taking you home tonight?
The chances of me you taking me home?
Yeah.
0.
We could have fucking won this shit.
0? Why? What, a nigga can't take you home? Like, you too bougie for that?
It's not even that, bro. I just don't even know him, man.
You don't know me?
It's fine.
Oh, okay. Hey, look, you can shout out your Instagram or some shit,
Yeah,
you know what I'm saying?
that's, my name is Tyler, my name is Ty, you know. My Instagram's gonna be Tyler, it's spelled
Damn, that's too goddamn long, man. Hey, look. She ain't want to take me home, so she got to go home by herself anyway. All right, so I'm here with
Brittany.
I took off everything.
No!
And
Naya.
all right, so my question for y'all is, rate me from the sound of my voice.
9.
A 9?
8.
A 8? All right, bet. All right, so rate me on my looks.
Say that you a lesbian, girl, me too.
I'll give you a 10.
Look at those hips.
Yeah, a 10.
Is you sexy out?
If I was to take you home tonight, would you go home with me?
Yeah, for your sister.
My sister? Hold up. Put you on. You go home with me if I would take you home tonight?
You gonna buy me food?
Yeah. You want something? What you want to eat? McDonald's?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, we gone. She going home with me. All right, I'm here with
Fantasia.
and.
Nay.
All right, so I was gonna say, rate me from the sound of my voice.
7.5, 8.
Huh?
7.5, 8.
7.5.
I can't answer that.
Yeah. All right. Why you can't answer that?
I can't answer.
Ooh, tomatoes, I'm throwing tomatoes at this bitch.
Rate me from my looks.
You're not somebody I would talk to. I'd say like, if you took the piercings out, maybe like a 6.5.
I don't know. I don't believe you.
Rating like just off rip. No? Your nigga gonna beat you up? Oh, all right. She gonna beat you up. right. No. My last question for you then. What's the chances of me taking you home tonight?
0.
What? Why not?
Because 0, I don't know you for 1. And for 2, you're just not my cup of tea.
Wait a minute. First of all, I'm thinking we was gonna be asked different questions.
Yeah.
What you thought you was gonna ask, smack or grab? Cause I'll do that shit right now.
Oh,
Smack
shit.
or grab. We're gonna do this right now.
What?
How many years are in a decade or something?
No, this is not that type of video. Bitch! Alright, so I'm here with and alright, so my question for y'all is to like rate me from the sound of my voice.
Like an 8.
Is you gonna suck my dick?
What's the question?
Rate me from the sound of my voice.
Like a 8.5, 9.
You know what I'm saying? I'm trying to go crazy.
Rate me on looks.
You a 10.
Left up.
10, you a 10.
Left up.
Alright. So what's the chances of me taking y'all home tonight?
There ain't no chance of that one.
No chance, so 0? 0, why 0?
Video.
Oh, you got a man?
No.
Oh, so you need me to beat your man up.
No, I ain't got
Oh, I got you. She got a man, that's why. Look, listen. I know she got a man. I'm gonna take them. I know you got a man. So I'm gonna just take them home right now. They just joking around for the video. They always be capping and shit. Dumbass girls. Alright, I'm here with
Akila.
and
Mari.
Kel. That's your name?
Yes.
Okay, I gotta make sure. Look. My main question was, rate me from the sound of my voice.
I'll give you like an 8. 8.
Rate you from the sound of your voice?
Yeah, my voice.
My voice 7.
What the fuck? She said 7. Look, she trying to do my ass. I ain't. All right, look, wait. I got something for you. All right, hold on. Rate me for my looks.
I don't do boys with piercings.
What the fuck?
Okay.
9.
9.
Why can't you look dumb?
I'm picky as fuck, so I would say I give you 8.5, 9.
9. All right. So look, what's the chances of me taking you home tonight?
0. I got a girlfriend. 0.
Take me out to dinner, baby.
Hey, yo.
I'll take that. Look, I like him feisty though. I like him feisty. What's your name? Kel again?
Raquel. It's my real
Raquel.
name.
Okay, look. I like me a little Raquel. She's a snow bunny, double R inside my back. Money. All right, so I'm here with
Deja.
and.
Yura.
All right, so look. My first question is, rate me from the sound of my voice.
Like a 7 or 8.
Like an 8.
Like an 8. All right. Rate me on my looks.
Like a 9.
Same.
What's the chances of me taking you home tonight?
Slim.
Like what?
Slim.
Slim? Give me a number, like 1 to 10.
5.
5?
Taking me home? 7 or 8.
7 or 8? All right, so if that's the case, I mean, that's a high number regardless of what you said. I'm going to take both of them home.
Hope my next can probably top a nigga. Take me to a place I can't imagine. Victim of heartbreak and I'm so damaged.